In this YouTube video, we'll provide you with a step-by-step practical example how to upgrade Magento version using command line tool. We dive deep into mastering Magento upgrade version, perfect for both beginners and advanced developers.
In this video, we will discuss about the Magento version upgrade. In this video, we are upgrading the Magento version from 2.4.6 P3 to P4. Let's start. First, we will see what is the current version of the Magento installed. Current version is a 2.4.6 P3. Next, we will verify the version of PHP. PHP 8.1 is installed for our upgrade. That meets the requirements of the latest Magento. So next is we will verify the Composer version, because we need a Composer version 2. The error showing means PHP deprecated return type of Symfony component console helper, or the component. This error is relating to the Composer, means that your installed Composer version is not compatible with your Magento version. If we here, so our installed Composer version is 1.6.3. But we need a Composer version 2. So we will install the Composer version into the Magento root directory. Instead, install the Composer globally. First, we will create mkdir latest Composer. Already exists. We will create a latest Composer directory, or you can choose any name for the directory where you want to install the Composer into the root of the Magento. So cd command. So now we will install the latest Composer version into the Magento root directory. So this command is copy the Composer setup.php file from this installer host. Second, Composer setup.php install parameter is where you want to install the Composer setup into the Magento root directory. We choose the bin directory of the Magento. File name parameter is let's override the Composer file name. Version means which version you want to install. We choose the 2.5.4. Now our Composer is successfully installed into the bin directory. Now we will check the Composer version. Bin Composer successfully install the Composer version 2.5.4 into the Magento root directory. The next step is after verify the Composer. The main step before the Magento upgrade version is to install or upgrade the Composer root plugin. Bin Composer require Magento Composer root plugin 2.0. JSON has been successfully updated. Our Composer file successfully updated with the Magento root plugin entry. So now we will run Composer update command to so means we already have the latest version of the Magento root plugin. So let me check. So we have already latest, that's why our Composer update command next we will upgrade the Magento version 2.4.6p4. Require commerce command PHP Composer Magento Community Edition 2.4.6p4. Interactive root conflicts means that automatically resolve the dependency in our composer.json file that will match with the latest Magento version automatically, instead require you to fix them manually. So we will run update command. Now our Magento Community Edition has been successfully upgraded 2.4.6p3 to 2.4.6p4. Now let's check the Magento version. Bin Magento version. Wow, we successfully updated the Magento version. Thank you so much.